media has today with the general people, with the masses, right? So we thought, why not give our celebrities, like especially people like Kajal Agarwal, who already have a 27 million strong fan following. At that, I must tell you that she is one of the most followed Indian celebrity. So we thought, why not give them an interface where they get to directly connect with their fans. And of course, our fans are also going to become stars. I'm going to tell you, that's going to be a suspense. I'm going to tell you all about it a little later. But coming back to our star who's joined us here today, she is a reigning star of the Tollywood and the Collywood industry, and she's also created a massive impact in Bollywood, starring with two of the mega stars of the Bollywood industry, which is Akshay Kumar and Ajay Devgan, with special Chhabbis and Singham respectively. Ma'am, I'm a big fan of yours myself. So I'm really gushing about the fact that I've joined you here. To tell you a little bit about Kajal's journey, should I do that? She started her acting debut in 2004 with the Bollywood film Kyun Ho Gaya Na, moving on to Lakshmi Kalyanam, Chanda Mama and Magadhira, which not only earned critical acclaim but also fetched her a Best Actress nomination at some of the topmost award functions, including Filmfare. Moving forward, she also was a part of very big blockbusters of the Tamil film industry with films such as Thupakki, Jilla, Nanala and Mathunan, which of course created a mark for her as one of the most high profile and highly paid, the top paid actress of the Collywood industry. With Telugu films such as Darling, Vrindavanam, Mr. Perfect, Businessman, Nayak, Badshah, Govindadu and Andari Vidale, Temper, and of course the very recent 2017 blockbuster, Kaidi number 150. She established herself as one of the leading actresses of Tollywood as well. Well, the journey already has been quite exceptional. And recently she's done a lead in Sardar Gabbar Singh, Brahmotsavam, Do Lafzon Ki Kahani. She's also doing a Telugu film directed by Teja, starring opposite Rana Daggubati, Vivekam starring opposite Mr. Ajit Kumar. She has also recently signed Vijay 61 starring opposite Vijay. Her 2017 release, which like I told you, is a Telugu super hit action drama film starring Chiranjeevi, Kaidi number 150, which is also his 150th film. And now to tell you a little bit more about the Kajal Agarwal official application. We have with us on stage two very special people. We have Mr. Shamik Talukdar, Head of India and APAC for Escapex, a New York-based company which has developed the Kajal Agarwal official app, and also Mr. Kulbir Sajdev, who's the India and Southeast Asia lead for Escapex. I'm sure for those of you sitting here, for those of you who may not be familiar with what Escapex is all about, it is a startup which started in New York way back in 2014, which creates white label apps for artists such as Bob Marley, Mark Anthony, Paris Hilton, Jeremy Renner, Enrique, and of course our very own Sunny Leone, Remo D'Souza, Amy Jackson, and 70 other celebrities. They are a 70-member strong team across the globe which creates fantastic apps like the Kajal Agarwal official app, which gives it's not just beneficial to the platform, but it gives an opportunity to the celebrity themselves to connect with their audiences. So this is more about a very authentic, a very genuine platform where our stars get to tell all. It's like spilling your heart in front of your fans. So this is basically all about communication, which is direct. There are no intermediaries. This is where everybody gets to be seen. This is where the control is in the hands of the creators, not the platforms. It's also the place where driving engagements are compensated. It's not the networks which are. So on that note, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to bore you all a little more. I have my two very special people from Escapex who are going to tell us about
Kajal's app opens. A quick run on the app, what exactly is there in the app, how fans will actually love this app. You see, this is the app which opens into a home feed. Where you will see a lot of exciting posts, content, videos, contests, a lot of exciting live features which she's going to do on the app. You will see interesting posts, exclusive posts here. Then this is a home feed. We go to activity feed. A quick run of the app first, then I will come to the features where you will see, you can get replies and notifications from Kajal. You will see all the notifications here. Then this app has the entire social media comes together on this app. This is a featured video section where you will see all exclusive content, behind the scene videos, and videos with social, Kajal usually doesn't put out on social media. You find a lot of exclusive content here. So you'll have a lot of exclusive content in the featured video section. You see the Facebook page, all the Facebook, social posts you can follow from here. You don't need to go out to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram every time. So you'll see only Kajal's Facebook page here. All the activity which she's doing on social media you can follow here only on this app. There's Twitter page, similarly like Facebook. All her tweets all under one place. You don't need to go out anywhere again. Her Instagram is here. Her YouTube channel is here. Her website is here. Then, so whatever you want to follow, Kajal, the entire world comes together in one place.
What is important in this is that when you, let's say, you go to Twitter or Facebook, you have to actually search for, if you're following Kajal, even then you have to search for Kajal because there are other feeds there. Here you will not have to search for Kajal because it's like this. Whatever that you see is only of Kajal. Whether Facebook, Twitter, Insta, it's only Kajal's content. So that's the most interesting part.
So you saw social media, you saw video, you saw post, then there's music, and you'll see all music congregated into one app. So the entire world of Kajal comes into one place. So if you want to become Kajal's super fan, you can be a super fan and get a super fan badge, which you see there. Right? I'll come back to the home feed. Now I'll tell you how exciting this app is for fans. What exactly you can do on this app. So you see the stars out there, 159. All these stars you keep earning the more time you spend on the app, the more you comment, the more you engage, the more you stay on app, the more videos you see. You'll keep earning these hearts. And these hearts you can actually trade to become Kajal's #1 fan. Do you see you becoming #1 fan on any of the social media? Do you see yourself getting ranked as #1 fan? Here you can see yourself getting ranked as #1 fan and get noticed by Kajal actually. So simple, very simple. The hearts you have earned here, you just have to boost your ranking. This will pop up. You can increase your ranking. Yes. And become #1 fan. So it's a gamification of a sort where people can actually show to Kajal that they are true #1 fans. And and they can comment to Kajal directly. Kajal will be able to see their comments every day, and Kajal can reply to them one-on-one through this app. So this is the most interesting part. On social media, your comments get lost or doesn't get noticed. Here, Kajal can see right in front, on top of the app, who are their #1 fans.
So I'm sure you know that Kajal has massive 27 million followers, and I'm sure each one of them would say that I'm the #1 fan. But now you can see who the #1 fan is, and who really, like they said, so get onto the app and become the #1 fan.
It's a very clear-cut rating.
Yeah, so this is the fun in this app. You can have a lot of contests. You'll see a lot of contests, a lot of events happening on the app where there'll be a lot of interesting opportunities to get great gratification, prizes, opportunities to even meet Kajal one day. Fans can actually come and meet Kajal through via this contest. So there's great app to connect with fans one-on-one, and Kajal is great with that, connecting with her fans. She actually wants to connect with her fans on a deeper level, get into a deeper connection with the fans. So yeah, this is how interesting this app is. What do you say?
Yeah, and the most critical part of this is that she's not on, while she's on the other platform, this is her own platform. She owns this platform and she can do pretty much anything that she wants with this platform and engage with her fans and make them grow, and I see them grow. Yeah. So that's about the app. This is globally we have about 70 celebs and Kajal joins us now. So welcome to the gang.
So, thank you Shamak and Kulbir for telling us about this app. Now it's time to hear it from the star herself. What do you think about this fabulous app, which is being launched today?
Firstly, hi guys, thank you so much for coming, all of you. It's a great honor to be sitting here and launching my app and interacting with all of you on behalf of EscapeX as well as me. And well, I am really excited about this app. I believe that it's very important as actors to want to communicate, to have some sort of direct communication with our audience. And of course, social media makes that possible. But there are some people like me, for example. I am not very good when it comes to social media. I cannot quite keep updating about my life. And I get really hassled with so many mediums of social media. Like there is Instagram, there's Twitter, now there's Snapchat. There are like so many things all the time, and it just gets so difficult to sit and put posts on each and everything. And with this particular app, it's truly sorting me out. It's making my life easier because I can just, with the click of a button, everything gets updated. People know that it's authentic, verified information directly from me, and it's interactive. So I can communicate to and fro with people. And yeah, I mean, it's the best way, in my opinion, where all my social media is integrated, and I can just directly put up a post, and I'm 100% sure that people who genuinely want to know about me and my life and my whereabouts can find out. And of course, now why did I tie up with EscapeX? EscapeX is a US-based company. Now they, of course, do a lot of gaming as well as apps for a lot of celebrities all over the world. And I haven't found any other company more authentic, more giving more personalized attention, and being so forthcoming with their approach, with their ideas, and as well as being so excited. I mean, of course, I would be excited because it's my app, but trust me, the team of EscapeX is equally, if not more, excited about this than I am, which is very helpful because as all of you know, we are perpetually traveling, we're always out and about, and it gets really difficult to actually follow up with these kind of things and do these kind of things. So the team of EscapeX is really strong. I have great support in them, and they monitor things for me, they ensure security of the app, which is extremely important in today's day and age. And yeah, we just know that it is a very verified, authentic ground to be interacting with people. That's about it.
So what you really see is superstar technology actually meeting the superstar. So that's what the app is about. And just to tell you this, there is live function in the app where you can do live, which is the latest technology. And we're moving on to something which is called the user-generated content in some time, where Kajal will be able to build a massive community within her app with her or her followers. So yes, like I said, please log in, download the app, and stay connected with Kajal.
So if there's Google for everyone, there are these apps where everything it's like my own private little Google, where everything comes together. I think that's really cool, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it. Do we have any questions?
I think on that note, I would like to thank all of you all for joining us here today. It's, like I mentioned before, it's a very, very special day because there's something very unique, very innovative which has been launched, and we're very, very happy that we have somebody as beautiful, somebody, a sparkling star like Kajal who's associated with us. So on that note, I'm going to thank you all once again for joining us here today. We're going to take the one-on-one on the stage.
No, the last one here.
Ankit. Arey.
लॉजिकली थोड़ी चैलेंज और मुझे सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट फ्रीक्वेंटली करने का टाइम नहीं मिलता. तो अगर ये ऐप मेरे एक क्लिक ऑफ अ बटन पे है तो ऑफ कोर्स मेरे लिए कन्वीनियंस हुआ ना. या ट्रोल से डर बिल्कुल नहीं, लेकिन थैंकफुली मेरे बारे में ज़्यादा ट्रोल नहीं होते अभी. आई होप ये कॉन्वर्सेशन के बाद स्टार्ट ना हो, नहीं तो मुझे पता है किसको पकड़ना है. अभी मैं अपने साउथ की फिल्म्स कंप्लीट कर रही हूँ और हिंदी फिल्म मैं सितंबर में स्टार्ट करूँगी. I am currently working in 2 Tamil films. One is with Ajit and one is with Vijay, and in one Telugu film with Rana.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anyone ask the question? Kishan Mo.
Kajal, congratulations on this app launch. But the point is that whenever you make any celebrity making a statement on the social media, sometimes it's just controversial. So how to make limitations for a celebrity to have the presence in the social media so that controversy doesn't get created on the platform as such?
First of all, thank you. I did not understand what you're asking me. How do celebrities do what?
Make some kind of statement, some kind of irresponsible statement.
They make irresponsible statements.
Yeah.
So then that is their stupidity. What can anyone else do about it? But I feel personally that things which are interactive, like for example for me, this app is going to be very interactive. You can actually clarify misunderstandings. Sometimes what happens is certain things are misconstrued or misunderstood. And with the help of social media or an app or any sort of direct communication that you have with the audience, thankfully in today's day and age, things can instantly be clarified. Or you can put your point across, or you can put your opinion across very clearly. And it obviously has its pros and cons, but I feel the pros outweigh the cons.
But do you think overexposure is good for the celebrity status as such? Because it's kind of overexposure for the celebrity status as such.
Overexposure is never good for anything. Obviously not. But this is not really overexposure. It's not like 24/7 I'll be updating. So if in case you think you're going to be able to stop me, that's not going to happen. I am not going to 24/7 keep putting up, okay, I'm eating lunch, okay, now I'm going here, okay, now. Of course not, guys, that's not going to happen. But yeah, you all will know where I am, which country I'm in, what I'm doing currently in life, or what am I shooting for, or who I'm shooting with, things like that. Basic, obviously, information. So there is, of course, a sense of privacy. It's not like this is intrusive of someone's privacy. It's just that it is a convenience-based thing where you can directly communicate as well as have all your social media integrated and make it interactive for your fans, which is just interesting and fun for them.
काजल जी लास्ट टाइम कुछ दिन पहले मतलब कि सेट्स को जलाया गया कुछ घंटे हो रहे तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि खत्म होने जा रही है इसलिए कुछ फिल्म अब तक आई नहीं है और जला दिया गया तो आपको क्या लगता है?
मुझे डिटेल्स नहीं पता इसके बारे में, लेकिन जी मैंने सुना था और ऑफ कोर्स बिल्कुल बहुत बुरा लगा. आई डोंट थिंक कि ऐसे करना चाहिए एंड एवरीवनस एंटाइटल्ड टू देयर ओन ओपिनियन एंड to their own expression to their own freedom of speech, and people should just leave it to that. This is what is over-intrusive that you were asking me, not my harmless posts.
Also, just to clarify, this app is also meant for superfans. It's Kajal's way of giving love back to the superfans who loved her all this while. And so there will be contests, there will be a lot of stuff which fans don't get on social media. Social media now is becoming a one-way street. Here we're bringing it back to a two-way communication.
To what it's supposed to be initially.
Yeah, it's actually supposed to be like that, right? So the larger it goes, probably somewhere on social media, whether it's Twitter or Instagram, it's more a one-way street now. Here you will find it far more interactive, and like you said, Kajal will have the ability to give love back to the fans who make her what she's doing.
Thank you so much. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Lovely chatting to you all. I have a flight, guys.
I am here.